Hello everybody. My name is Utsal Gupta from class 7C.
And I am Amit Gupta of class 5th C. Today we are here to show the process of glass. But before beginning, we will show some details about glass. So let's begin.
Glass. Glass is a non-crystalline, often transparent, amorphous solid that widespread practical, technological and decorative use in, for example, window panes, tableware, chairs and objects.
How glass is made. Making a glass fairly straightforward process. In a commercial glass plant, sand is mixed with recycled glass, sodium carbonate and calcium. These substances are then heated in a furnace. Once in liquid state, it is poured into molds to shape or poured on a flat surface to make sheets of glass. So, let's begin.
So now let's go to break the sand.
Yes, we need sand to make the glass. So let's go.
There is so much of sand that we can make very much of glass.
Yes. See, there is coal also. We can use it as a fuel.
Yeah, we can. So one thing we can do, you break coal and I will break the sand.
Okay. Oh, see, there are too much of coal here.
So literally I have more than a stack of sand. So one thing we can do, you break the coal and I will make the furnace.
Oh, I have 47 coal. And we can use it as the fuel.
That's good. Now let me find cobblestone to make the furnace.
Oh yeah. So we have to dig to find cobblestone.
I have so much of cobblestone, so now we can make the furnace.
Yes, can you give me?
Wait, I am making. Okay, so I have made a furnace. So can you give me the
Yes.
coal?
You can give me the furnace so I can put the coal inside that. So now I have dig some sand and I have put that in the furnace. You can also
Wait, let me put more sand.
let me find more coal so then we can make the glass. Now let's see if the glass is made or not. Oh, see, the glass has been made, and we can use it use in our home or for the decoration.
Yeah, we can.
Thank you.
Thank you.